Hey there, fellow road trippers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to use QT gift card for gas in 2025. If you've got a Quick Trip gift card burning a hole in your wallet, you're in the right place. This process is super straightforward, but with a few modern updates for 2025, like enhanced digital integration. Let's jump right in. First things first. Start by checking your gift card balance. In 2025, you can do this quickly through the Quick Trip app or their website. Just log in, enter your card details, and voila! See how much gas money you've got. This step ensures no surprises at the pump. Next, head to your nearest Quick Trip station. With the rise of smart mapping in 2025, use the QT app to find the closest location and even check real-time pump availability. Once you're there, pull up to a gas pump. Most are equipped with contactless technology now. Now, for the fun part, using your card. Insert or tap your QT gift card at the pump's reader. If it's your first time, you might need to enter a PIN, which you can set up in the app ahead of time. The system will deduct the amount from your card balance automatically. Pro tip: in 2025, you can link your card to your phone for even faster transactions. Just scan your device. After that, select your gas type and start pumping. The pump will show your remaining balance in real time, so you can keep an eye on how much you're using. Once you're done, the transaction finalizes instantly, and you're good to go. Finally, if you run into any issues, like an error message, don't panic. Use the station's help button or the app's support chat for quick assistance. And remember, QT gift cards are versatile. Use them for snacks inside the store too. There you have it, folks. Using your QT gift card for gas in 2025 is easier than ever. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.